there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of our Healthy Living series. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, delicious, and super easy oat milk at home. It's a fantastic alternative to dairy milk and perfect for those who are lactose intolerant or just looking to cut down on dairy. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought. Not only is it more cost-effective, but you also have full control over the ingredients. Okay, first things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of making oat milk at home is that it requires very few ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your pantry. You'll need just a few things: 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and for a little extra flavor, you can add a sweetener like maple syrup or a splash of vanilla extract. Simple, right? Now let's get blending. These ingredients are not only easy to find, but also affordable, making this a budget-friendly option. Grab your blender and toss in the oats and water. Make sure your blender is powerful enough to handle the oats. Otherwise, you might end up with a chunky mixture. Blend on high for about 30 to 45 seconds. This is just enough time to break down the oats and create a smooth mixture. Be careful not to overblend or your oat milk might turn out a bit slimy. If you notice it getting too thick, stop blending immediately. Next, you'll need to strain the mixture. This step is crucial to ensure your oat milk is smooth and free of any oat pulp. I recommend using a nut milk bag or a fine mesh strainer. These tools are specifically designed to filter out the finer particles, giving you a cleaner milk. Slowly pour the blended oats through the strainer into a large bowl or pitcher. Take your time with this step to ensure all the liquid passes through. If you want your oat milk extra smooth, you can strain it twice. This extra step can make a big difference in the texture of your milk. Alright, now it's time to add that pinch of salt and, if you're feeling fancy, a tablespoon of maple syrup or a dash of vanilla extract. These additions will enhance the flavor and make your oat milk even more delicious. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything is well combined so that each sip is perfectly flavored. And there you have it, homemade oat milk. It's fresh, creamy, and ready to be enjoyed. This oat milk is perfect for your morning coffee, smoothies, or even just to drink on its own. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. Plus, it's free from added sugars and preservatives, making it a healthier choice. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. One quick tip: homemade oat milk tends to separate, so give it a good shake before each use. This is completely normal and doesn't affect the quality of the milk, and it's best consumed within 4 to 5 days, so make just enough to enjoy fresh. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator to keep it at its best. So are you ready to ditch the store-bought stuff and whip up your own oat milk at home? It's a fun and rewarding process that you'll love. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any variations you come up with. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy and delicious recipes. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and happy.